All right, we have the scores for tonight's competition. In the small school 3 division, we have the Union Endicott Tigers Pride Marching Band with a score of 69.150. In the small school 2 division, in 3rd place, with a score of 74.450, the Vestal Golden Bears Marching Band. Second place in the small school 2 division with a score of 76.8. The Norwich Purple Tornado Field Band. And in first place, with a score of 78.6, the Horseheads Blue Raider Marching Ensemble. And in the large school 2 division, with a score of 80.650, the Corning Painted Post Competition Band. Thank you for coming to the sounds of the Southern Tier. Please drive safely.